Hey y'all, welcome to the kitchen here at Mark's Life 101. I'm Shannon and today we're going to make homemade banana pudding.
Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Mark's Life 101. I'm Mark, and this is my life.
Today we're going to make homemade banana pudding. So our ingredients are 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour. We have 3 eggs separated, and I've already separated them to cut down on video time. Then 2 cups of milk, and we have half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3.5 cups of bananas sliced and vanilla wafers. We are going to start by adding our sugar, flour, yolks, and milk in a saucepan and heating it on the stove and stirring it constantly until it gets thick. So I'm going to get my saucepan and add. Okay, I'm going to start by mixing my ingredients. So I have half a cup of sugar. I have 1/3 cup of flour. I have 2 cups of milk. And then I have 3 egg yolks that I'm going to add. Okay, now we're going to take this over to the stove and we're going to start cooking it and stirring it constantly so it doesn't get too thick. Okay, I've got it on medium heat and I'm going to whisk all my ingredients together so that it mixes well while it's heating up. You want to be really careful in this process because it can get really thick really quick and it can burn easily. So you want to make sure you're stirring it constantly to make sure it's not sticking or getting too hot. While I'm waiting for the stove to come up to heat, I'm going to go ahead and mix my 3.5 cups of banana sliced and my vanilla wafers. Some people layer their wafers in their banana pudding, but I like to just mix it all together instead of doing the layers. Okay, I'm going to go check on the yeah, it's getting thick. Okay, this is starting to get thick. It's about the consistency that I like. So I took it off the heat and I'm going to add my vanilla extract to it. And it is half a teaspoon. Nope. Okay, then we'll stir that in. Okay, I'm going to pour my bananas and my vanilla wafers in 13 by 9 baking dish. That's what we're going to make ours in today. So I'm going to pour those in there. Just kind of level it out. Okay, once I've got that in there, I'm going to take my pudding mix and just kind of pour it over it. Okay, once I get that in there, I'm going to kind of mix it in with my wafers and my bananas. Alright, once we get this mixed, we're going to move on to the icing. Looks like it's mixed pretty good. Okay, we're going to set this aside and we're going to mix the icing. You're going to beat your egg whites until it peaks. If you do this by hand, you're going to have to beat it kind of vigorously for a while until it turns into kind of like a white foam looking. And that's what we'll make our icing out of. Okay, so now I showed you that way. We are going to do it another way. We're going to use the blender. Okay. Okay, I've got it on 6, letting it blend. Okay, so we got it the consistency that we want. We're going to add our sugar to it and let that blend up. Okay, we got the icing done and I tasted it to see if it was the sweetness that I like, and it is. So now I'm going to put my oven on broil and then come back and put the icing on top of the pudding. Okay. Can you get it off? Okay. So now we're going to spread our icing. All right. We've got our icing spread. Now we're going to put it in the oven and let the icing brown, but you have to watch it very closely. You're not going to leave it in there long. You just want the icing to brown. All right, we're going to check it. And it is brown. Looks pretty good. All right, so that is our banana pudding for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, the like, and subscribe button, and come back and see us. God bless.